growing up, my kids grew up, and there were always computers. Okay, even back to when they were big and this thick, you know, whatever. Okay, so they are products of the digital age. And it's only, I don't know, a couple of months ago or whatever, with my laptops or whatever, and my son found me, you know, using like a sharp point, okay, to clean my keyboard in between the keys and the letters and stuff like that. And he goes, Dad, because he's also an artist, you know, an analog artist. He said, Dad, let me give you something. I said, you got something that cleans these things? Yeah. He gave me a paintbrush, a fundamental analog tool, right. 3D, real. And he said, watch this. Look at all the dust is gone. I'm sitting here picking it, you know, like a surgeon, like a dentist. And that's it. And I was like, son of a gun, huh? Now, of all the digital equipment and marvels of the digital technology that go along with this, on the side of my computer is a paintbrush. How do you like that? Okay. I wish I could find the